10th, 1970 Monaco. We're going to continue our disassembly of the AC system. Gonna get the condenser out today, get all the hoses off and out, get ready for everything, maybe get the hoses over to the hose man later, because I have to take one over for Scott. Yeah, so here we go. Alright, so first order of business, we're gonna undo this line here, which goes down under the battery tray, around and up. It goes to our compressor, as you can see. Take note that it's been spliced and repaired sometime in the past, so that's going to get taken care of. Step 1, remove. Step 2, remove. And I know we just put this dryer in, but we got another one coming anyway with our kit. And then this line will come out, and this line will come out, and they'll all go to the hose man. We've got the condenser out. It has J-nuts and through bolts that come through the core support from the engine bay side. Had to take the support and the hood latch out to pull it out the rest of the way. Got the dryer out. It's just sitting here on the bracket because we got a new one coming. I gotta pick up my hardware. One last line to pull off here. And then we are going to take this stuff over to F&L hose. Okay, we need to remove our aftermarket expansion tank so we can get this AC line out here. Slip her on through. May have to pull the grommet. Had to do it on that side, so wouldn't doubt it. All right, got that one out. Just need to undo our last fitting back there, and we will be done. I do have to take the evaporator out, but I'm obviously not going to do that today. I don't feel like hanging under the dash, and the new one's not in here yet either, so we just gonna wait till that shows up. All right, ready to go to F&L hose.